In this video, yung photo mo, gagawin nating cartoon. So stay tuned.
You're watching Allen Online TV, the place to be if you want to build your online brand, business, and be your own boss. Now your host, Allen and Leon.
Hi, si Allen De Leon to, and welcome to Allen Online TV. Now, kung first time mo sa YouTube channel ko and you would like to learn strategies in order to grow your online brand, online business, and be your own boss, then mag-subscribe ka na ngayon at i-click mo na rin yung bell notification so you won't miss any of our video tips, tricks, and tutorials. As long as may computer ka, may internet connection, and of course, a photo na nandyan sa computer mo, then magagawa mo yung photo mo maging cartoon. So if you are ready, let's swing over sa computer screen ko para maituro ko sa'yo. Okay, so you are ready? Come on, let's go! Okay, ready na tayo i-convert ang iyong photo into a cartoon. So, ang una natin gagawin is dito tayo kay Google. Hanapin natin tong befunky.com. Enter. Okay, so click mo lang itong get started. And then, dito tayo sa edit a photo. Click natin yan. Okay. So, click mo tong open. Dito tayo pupunta sa computer to get a photo. So, hanapin na lang nating photo is yung ginamit ko sa thumbnail. Okay? So, this is the photo. Yan. Okay, so, ang gagawin mo, just go to the left side and then scroll down. Yan, dito tayo sa artsy. Click natin yan. And then, may makikita ka mga selections dito. Pero, dito tayo sa number 2, which is tong cartoonizer. Okay? So, click natin si Cartoonizer. Yan. Meron dito mga levels ng Cartoonizer from 1 to 6. Pero dito pa lang sa 1, okay na tayo. So, click lang natin itong Cartoonizer 1. Yan. Preparing na to convert it into a cartoon. Itong photo ko na to. So, wait lang natin. Tadan! Ayan, naging na siyang cartoon. So, ngayon, ang ano lang dito, ang hassle lang dito is hindi mo siya pwedeng i-download kasi once you download it, ayun, merong bayad. So, hindi natin gusto yan. So, meron naman tayong pwedeng gawin na alternative or option is, ang gawin nyo, punta kayo dun sa keyboard ninyo sa computer. Then, press mo yung sa keyboard mo yung control print screen. Yan. Okay, pag nagawa mo na yon, it's either pumunta ka sa PowerPoint, ito, or sa Paint. Okay, libre naman tong software na tong Paint sa computer. Pero kung wala kang Paint, okay na sa PowerPoint na lang. Okay, then saka mo gawin sa keyboard mo, press mo yung Control V as in victory. Yan. So now, nakuha mo na yung output na gusto mo makuha sa befunky, which is yung maging cartoon yung photo mo. So, double click mo lang siya para ma-crop mo. Crop mo siya. There you go. Crop mo lang siya. And click mo lang yan. So, that's it. Meron ka ng photo na cartoon. Now, para maging transparent yung background, actually hindi po transparent yan, white ang background yan. Let me show you. Gawin ko lang color blue yung background para makita ninyo. So, just move it backwards. Ayan, mapapansin nyo, white. Para matanggal yung white background dyan sa photo mo, panoorin mo yung video tutorial na ginawa ko on how to remove your photo background in 5 minutes. At patatanggal yung white background, magiging transparent. So, there you have it. Nagawa na natin gawing cartoon ang iyong photo. Go ahead, itry mo and let me know sa comment section kung nagawa mo. And speaking about the comment section, here are people na nag-comment sa mga previous videos dito sa Allen Online TV. So, Friday, sino-sino ba sila?
Here are the comments of the day.
Sa lahat ng mga nag-comments, maraming salamat po. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-comment dito sa ating video ngayon, this video right here, then pwede ka mag-comment para next video, ikaw naman ang isha-shoutout ko sa comments of the day. Okay? So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you won't miss any of our latest video episodes. This is Allen De Leon. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and please do check out the other videos that we have for you. Okay, so bye for now and God bless.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Allen Online TV. See you in our next video episode.